Yes, children. So when I talk about nth term of an AP, first you have to know what is an AP. This is the topic that we are going to discuss today, nth term of an AP. So what is an AP? We have discussed already. AP means if I am writing as 2, second term I am writing as 7, third term, what will the third term be? 12. That is, here we call it as the first term. And 7 is a second term. 7 is a second term. Now, how do you find the next term? By finding the common difference. How do you find common difference? Common difference is second term minus first term. Second term minus first term. Or third term minus second term. That is, in this case, if you take, you can see 7 minus 2. Second term minus first term means 7 minus 2. That is equal to 5. Third term is 12. 12 minus 7. That is equal to 5. So, if it is in AP, whenever you subtract. Now, how you should be subtracting? You should be subtracting from the next term. Previous term should be subtracted. Okay, previous term should be subtracted. That is third term minus second term. Then what you get is known as the common difference. So in this case, the common difference is 5. Now if I write an AP as P, Q, R, S, can you tell me what will be the common difference? Q minus P, or it can be R minus Q, or it can be S minus R. If anyone is having doubt, you should be asking, that is, what is coming the second term? Second term is Q. So it should be Q minus P. Or then we take the R. If you take R, then it will be R minus Q. Or if you're taking S, it will be S minus R. All these things will be equal. Q minus P will be equal to R minus Q. This will be equal to S minus R. Is this clear to all of you? This is what you have to understand about the first term and the common difference. Now, how many terms can be there for an AP? It can be finite. It can be finite. When I say first 10 multiples of 3. First 10 multiples of 3. If I say, then from where will it start? 3, 6, 9. Then up to where will it go? It will go up to 30. So here we call 3 as the first term. 3 is our first term and 30 is our last term. Okay, 30 is our last term. Now the last term, we show it as first term as A1 or simply as A. We write as A or simply as A1. Okay, and last term we can write it as AN. This is the nth term, AN, last term, or we write it as L. L is the last term. Okay, AN or L. L means it is the last term. Now I told you this is about finite. Now if I simply say all multiples of 3. Same question I am giving it in a different way. All multiples of 3. Then what happens? It will start from 3, 6, 9, etc. till where? Infinite. Will it stop at 30? No. It is infinity. Because we don't know where it is going to stop. Because any number you get, you add 3 to it, you get the next multiple of 3. So in this case, the AP becomes infinite. Oh, I have just told that they are in AP. Are they in AP? This multiples of 3, are they in AP? Yes, because common difference is, it has got a common difference, that is 3. So they are in AP. So what all things have we discussed now? First term of an AP, common difference, finite AP, infinite AP. Is this clear? Yes. First term into n minus 1, or let me tell you, if I take the same example, 2, 7, 12, etc. Then first term I write it as A1, that is equal to 2. Second term A2, that is equal to 7. Third term A3, that is equal to 12. Isn't it? Now I have asked you to find out what is fifth term, A5. What is fifth term? How do you get it as 22? Because 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 plus 5 will be 17, and 17 plus 5 will be 22. That is how you are calculating, isn't it? First one, second one, third one, first term 2, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term is 22. So A5 will be equal to 22. Is there any other way to find this? Now, let me write here. The first term is 2. Second term is 7. 7 I can write it as 2 plus 5. Third term is 12. How do I write? 2 plus 5 plus 5. Is it clear? From where am I getting this 5? What is this 5? 5 is the common difference. Okay, 5 is the common difference. Now when it comes to fifth term, you see, I am writing it as 2 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. One more 5. Now can you see here, first term it is 2 plus, did I add any common difference? 0 into common difference, 0 into 5. 2 plus 0 into 5. A2 I can write it as 2 plus 1 into 5. A3 I can write it as 2 plus, how many times did I add 5? 2 times, 2 into 5. And A5, how did I get it? A5 is equal to 2 plus, how many times did I add? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into 5. Okay. Now what is this 2 here? 2 is the first term. So what I'll write? Check here. A1 equal to A plus 0 D. Why am I writing D? Because 5. What is 5 here? 5 is the common difference. 2 is the first term. 2 is the first term. 5 is the common difference. So I got A1 as A plus 0D. Now A2. You find out. What is this 2? 2 is first term. A plus. How many times D? 1 time D. A3. What do you get? First term plus 2D. Similarly, A5. What will I get? A plus 4D. A plus 4D. Now, Advait, can you tell me what will be A7? A plus 6D. A plus 6D. Don't say all those nth term minus 1 and all, others will not understand who are listening to the first time. Now see here children. What you have here, this is the first one I am finding, A1. A1 means what is coming here? 0. 1 means 0. That is 1 minus 1. 2 is coming here. 2 means, what is the number coming here? 1. How do you get that 1? 2 minus 1. Isn't it? Here you have 3. You are getting 2. So what do you have here? 3 minus 1. Here you have 5. So what will come here? 5 minus 1. That is 4. Here you have 7. So what is that you are getting? 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. Understood? So if I say A12, 12th term, how will you get? A plus 13. 11, it is 1 minus, not 1. You don't have to add, you have to subtract. So here it is given 12 means it should be 12 minus 1 into D. That is A plus 11D. Understood? Now if that is the case, I am asking you to find the nth term, AN. How will you find A plus Here it is n. So what will you do? A plus n minus 1 into d. An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the nth term of an AP. Okay. This is the nth term of an AP. So this is what. Now the question is, find the 7th term of the AP. 3, 8, 13, etc. Yeah. Then you find that we did right now. I'll tell you 11th term. How will you find 11th term? An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We have a is equal to first term is 3. What is n equal to how much? 11. Not 7th term. I'm asking you now to find the 11th term. N equal to 11. Common difference is equal to 8 minus 3 equal to 5. So how will you find? A11 will be equal to 3 plus 11 minus 1 into 5. That is equal to 3 plus 10 into 5. 53. Isn't this easy? Finding the nth term, isn't it easy? Yes. Now, which term of the AP is 78? That is the question. Which term of the AP is 78? AP is given 3, 8, 13, 18. AP is given. Which term is 78 is the question. So what do we take this as? If you are asked 11th term or 7th term, etc., you take n as 11 or n as 7. Now, which term is asked? So what is the 78? You know A1 equal to 3, A2 is equal to 8. Now what is this 78? A how much? A how much is 78? A n. We don't know which term, so we put it as an. An is equal to 78. Now the question is, which term of the AP is 78? Now what are the things that they have given us? We'll draw a line here and we'll write what all things they have given us. They have given first term A equal to 3. Then they have given an, nth term as 78. Now from the AP we can find the common difference. Common difference is equal to 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. Now can you find n from this? What is the formula? An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Isn't it? So here we are given a. A is 3. It is given to us. An it is given to us. An is 78. D is given. D is given as 5. The only thing that we don't know is n. Can you find? Now we are going to substitute. What is the value of an? An is 78. That is equal to a is 3 plus n we don't know. So we put it as n only. N minus 1 into d is 5. Now this is equal to 3 plus. Here we have to first open the bracket. 5 into n and 5 into minus 1. So 5 into n is what? 5n. Minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. So what do you get here? 78 is equal to 3 and minus 5. You can add these two together. 3 plus minus 5. What is 3 plus minus 5? It is minus 2. So you get minus 2 plus 5. Now only unknown term is of n. 2 you can take to the other side. Then what will you get? 5n is equal to, when 2 goes to the other side, you get 72 plus 78 plus 2. What is the answer? 80. That is equal to 80. So you get 5n equal to 80 or n equal to 80 by 5. Can anyone give me the answer? 16. N is equal to 16. N is equal to 16. So which term of the AP is 78? Therefore, 78 is 16th term. 78 is 16th term. Is this clear? This is the easiest chapter you have, children. This is the easiest chapter and very nice to do it. Only thing is you have to understand the question. Okay, only this one thing I am teaching you today. An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. All the questions we are going to solve using this. An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Let us look at the next question. Now all these questions I have taken it from your textbook. We are solving the textbook questions. You do see it and then you have to work it out on your own. Don't leave it. There are many in the class. If I don't ask you to write in the notebooks, Saurabh and all notebook itself won't be there. He'll be thinking later on I'll open this and I'll now let us see the question. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs. Find the number of terms. What are they asking? Are they asking an? Are they asking an? Are they asking n? Are they asking d? Are they asking a? These are the different things we have. What is that they are asking? Number of terms means which one? An, n, d or a? N. Number of terms is n. An is nth term. D is common difference. A is first term. So now the first question is find the number of terms in each of the following APs. Let us see. What are the things? First one. I am taking the first one only. Tell me how will you do it? A equal to 7. Then what is D? D equal to? How do you get it? You can either do 13 minus 7 or you can do 19 minus 13. Anyway you can do. So I'll just give here 19 minus 13. What is the answer? 6. Anyway you can do. I'm just changing it so that it becomes clear to you. Okay. So A equal to 7, D equal to 6. Now what else is given? We are given a term 205. What is the importance of that? What is that 205? Last term, or we write it as nth term. An is equal to 205. Okay. Now we are going to put the equation an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. How will we calculate? A is 7. 7 plus n minus 1 into d is 6. An is 205. Can you find the answer? What should you do first? First you should open the bracket. 6 into n is 6n. 6 into minus 1 is minus 6. So you get 205 is equal to 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. So 1 plus 6n. You will get it as 1 plus 6n. 1 when it goes to the other side, you will get 204. 6n is equal to 204 or n is equal to 204 by 6. What is the answer? 34. So 205. There are 34 terms. There are 34 terms. Now this first one, is it a finite AP or infinite AP? It is a finite AP. Now the second question, there is some mistake. It is 1 by 5 or something. I don't know what it is. Do you have the textbook with you? What is the second one? 18 comma. Second question, I made some mistake. The question is not correct. Tell me. 18. Second one is? There is some mistake. The question is wrong. So if I go for solving it, it's not going to help you. Okay. So it is 18. Then it is 15, 1 by 2. Then you have 13, etc. up to minus 47. So how do you find the common difference? 15.5 means 15.5 minus 18. What is the answer? Minus 2.5. Minus 2.5. Okay. So you have to put that here. A equal to n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? An is equal to minus 47. That is equal to a is 18 plus n minus 1 into, the answer is minus 2.5. D is minus 2.5. So put it in bracket. Now you'll get it as 18 minus 2.5 n plus 2.5. Now what is 18 plus 2.5? 20.5 minus 2.5 n. That is minus 47. Now can you calculate? You have to take this to the other side and you can find value of n. Can you do it on your own? Yes or no? Yeah, correct. Now should I do it? Okay. This becomes minus 57.5 is equal to minus 2.5 n. Now what is n? N is equal to minus 57.5. Sorry, 67. 47 plus 20 is 67. Minus 67.5 by minus 2.5. Minus and minus means it becomes plus. So what will be the answer? 25? 25. 20. 25, 25 is a 625. 625. 50 more. So it is 2 more. So 25 into 27 is 675. So we have 22.5 into 27. So the answer is 27. So it is 27th term. How many terms are the question? How many terms? So 27 terms are there. Total number of terms are 27. Clear? Now this question I want Vijay to answer. Vijay, are you there? Check whether minus 150. Check whether minus 150 is a term of this AP. Will minus 150 come as a term of this AP? Now first you will write down what all things are given to you. Right? A n equal to a plus. Tell me, Vijay. Keep your a plus n minus 1 into d. What are the things given? A equal to 11. Then a n is equal to, what is a n given as? Minus 150. Then what is d? 11 minus 8? 8 minus 11. What is the answer? നിന്നെ നല്ല അടി വെച്ചിരുന്നു നിനക്ക്. 8 minus 11 is minus 3. 8 minus 11 is minus 3. Okay, you got it. Now what will you do? Substitute. Minus 150 is equal to, what do you get? A as 11 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 3. Let us do it fast. 11 minus 3n plus 3. You are multiplying minus 3 into n minus 3n, minus into minus plus 3. So what do you get here? 11 plus 3? 14 minus 3n. So minus 150 is equal to 14 minus 3n. Now, how are you going to do it? Minus 3n, let us take it to the other side. What will you get? 3n. 3n is equal to, then 150 we are taking to this side. So we get 14 plus 150. What is the answer? 164. Now what is n? N will be 164 divided by 3. Will it go? 1 plus 6 plus 4. 11. Can you divide it by 3 completely? No. You need not divide and complete it completely. Now can minus 150 be a term of the AP? Why? because it is not completely divisible, because if you divide it, you will get 5 threes are 15 carry over, then 54.6. Now there is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, seventh term, 11th term, 100th term, etc. Will there be a 54.6th term? All these are counting numbers. All these are counting numbers, isn't it? Is 54.6 a counting number? No. So can this number, check whether minus 150 is a term. Can minus 150 be a term of this AP? No. Minus 150 is not a term of the AP. Is this understood? Yes. Moving on to the next question. Find the 31st term. You can do in rough work. If you do in notebook, it will not be neat. If you're doing, you can do in rough. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. You have to find the 31st term. 31st term means A31, whose 11th term is 38. Given A11. A11 is equal to 38. And 16th term is 73. A16 is equal to 73. Have you understood what I have written? You have to find the 31st term of an AP. That is A31. AN. N is 31. AN. A31. You have to find out. Given A11 is equal to 38 and A16 is equal to 73. Now how are you going to do this? A31 will be equal to how much? A plus? How much is that? A plus 30D. What will be A11? In the same way, what will be A11? A plus 10D. What is A16? A plus, Rindan? A plus 72D. A plus 15D. Have you understood this? These are the things given to us. Now how are we going to find this is the question. Now what do we know? We know that A plus 10D is equal to 38 and A plus 16D is equal to 73. That is given in the question. 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. This is the only part that you have to understand from the question. Is this part clear to all of you? Is there anyone having doubt in this case? No. Clear. Okay. Then we'll move on. These two will take as equation, that is A plus 10D is equal to 38 and A plus 15D is equal to 73. This is my equation 1. This is my equation 2. Can I write equation 1 and 2 is something running in your mind? What? Substitution, elimination. Which one is easier for this? Elimination. A and A is there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2 minus 1. Second one minus first one. So A minus A, it becomes 0. 15 minus 10. What will I get? 15 minus 10. 5D. That is equal to 73 minus 38. 35. Now what is D? 35 by 5, that is equal to 7. Isn't it? You got D equal to 7. Now what should you find? A. How will you find A? Put D equal to 7 in first one or second one, anywhere you can put. What will you get? A plus 10 into 7 is equal to 38. Then what is A plus 70 is equal to 38. Then what is A? That is equal to 32. What is the sign? Minus sign. Minus 32. The answer will be minus 32. A is equal to minus 32. Now you have to find out this term. A31. Now what do you have? You'll put all these things back here. You have to find the 31st term. 31st term is equal to A plus 30D. That is equal to, what is the first term here? Minus 32 plus 30 into D is 7. So what do you get? Minus 32 plus 210. What will be the answer? 178. Correct. Answer will be 178. Go. Now let's move to the next one. This you will be able to do it on your own. You should be able to do it on your own. What I've told you right now. If the third and ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of AP is 0? What are the things given to you? Third term. How will you write third term? A3. Ninth term. Ninth term A9. Third term A3 is equal to how much? 4. Ninth term A9 is equal to how much? Minus 8. A3 equal to 4, A9 equal to minus 8. Now which term of the AP is 0? So nth term we don't know is equal to 0. That is the question. Okay. Now you are given third term and ninth term. What are you supposed to do first? Form the equations. A3 equal to A plus 2D. A plus 2D. A9 is A plus 8D. So we get A plus 2D is equal to how much? 4. And A plus 8D is equal to how much? Minus 8. Now this is first equation. This is a second equation. What are we going to do? 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1. Anything you can do. I'll do 1 minus 2. Anything you can do. Okay. So A and gets cancelled. A minus A 0. 2 minus 8. Minus 60 is equal to 4 minus of minus 8. 12. So minus of minus 8 means it will be 4 plus 8, 12. Now what is D? D is equal to minus 2. Now you got D. Next step, what is the next step? Finding A. Which equation do you want? First equation. D equal to minus 2 in first one. What do you get? A plus 2D equal to 4. A plus 2 into minus 2. So what do you get? A minus 4 is equal to 4. What is A is equal to? 8. 0. 4 when it goes to the other side it becomes 4 plus 4. This is minus 4 here. Minus 4 when it goes to the other side becomes 4 plus 4. So it becomes 8. Clear? 4 plus 4 it is 8. Now what do we get? Tell me. We got A equal to 8. D equal to minus 2. AN equal to 0. Now what is that you have to find out? Which term is asked? That is you have to find n. How will you find? an equal to very good. An is given as 0. 0 is equal to 8 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 2. So you get this equal to 8 plus 8 minus 2n plus 2. What do you get? 0 equal to 10 minus 2n. What is the answer then? 2n you take to the other side, you'll get 2n. Minus becomes 2n. 2n equal to 10. N equal to 10 by 2 is equal to 5. So which term is 0? Fifth term is 0. Fifth term is 0.